do too many donuts on the rally, so you just have to stop here and get some new tires. LP 800, that's right. And Maserati QP showed up to hang out for a bit. Doing photography all over the place. Daily driven drone flight. I wanted to see him landed on the roof. That's a Huracan. This is a back seat, and that's at least 2 more back seats probably. The police are not going to be happy. They're totally going to be like, get out of here, guys. Park like way back here. Park right here. 720S exploded. There's parts all the way over there. Way out there. All over the place. Crazy, crazy. So it's Corsa day 7. And we have a casualty. This 720S no longer exists. Let me run you guys across here. Damon's shooting his vlog over here, but unfortunate. But you can see the path started like in that corner right there, came straight down, and it kind of follows, and then an absolute miracle right there. It drops down 20-30 feet, and the car just skidded across, kept skidding, and landed right there in about the most perfect place you could ever land. Everybody was okay, they walked away, so I guess that's a testament to that McLaren carbon fiber monocoque. The cockpit looks amazing. Let me hop in there. Damon's in there, so. No, he said don't cross traffic. He's showing you the wheel that's down there. I took some pictures of the wheel. It completely sheared from the car. The gear oil and everything is everywhere. There's carbon rotors just exploded, shattered. Everywhere. It's just wild. So glad the lights are okay. Here's where the tires were locking up. Yeah. And then here's where it comes across the lane. You see it come across here all the way down, and then it ends over there. We have arrived at Lamborghini Las Vegas for our special event. This is amazing. A Gallardo Super Trofeo and an overpriced Aventador. Everybody knows it has nothing. Nothing about that is any better, but you spend $4 million and you get a body kit on Aventador. The rest of this is pretty cool. Another Aventador, another Aventador, another Aventador. That's what's up. Diablo's always so So beautiful. It's a VT. Let's see what year it is. Date of manufacturer, 99. It's a 99. We got another Huracan. At least it's got carbon brakes. I like it a lot. A Performante, the best car that Lamborghini makes right now. And a Huracan Spider. All right, if you guys are ready for something super crazy, we're gonna head back outside because some cars have started showing up, and I hear an important car has showed up. There it is. It is Steve's Huracan. I'm just kidding. It is this Veyron. That's what I'm talking about. The Mansory kitted Veyron. Oh, look at that. All 16 beautiful cylinders. Awesome area for the wheel to retract into. That is the sickness. Here's the MP412C. Here's that 11 GT3. This is Dino. Brand new. Brought it, bought it, brought it to the rally. That's a running car. Good stuff. He totally wanted that. Yeah. Yes. Super sick. Love this car. I literally never get tired of it. I wouldn't buy any of the new ones except for the 720 over this. More Veyron. More Veyron. Veyron intensifies. Alright, so we were at the Lamborghini event. There's a Stradman sitting over there somewhere. And here's a Veyron, and here's some Ferraris, and here's they brought like 15 Aventadors. And that's pretty much the event. Oh, there's a Selena 7. Amazing. All right, we just hopped in this elevator that I'm assuming has launch control. Because we're at 3 and then we're gonna be at 23. But this elevator has a bench, which is legit. Taras is like, this is the Lux life. The door shut. The bathroom's sweet. Check out that dope tub. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Shower. Shower's freaking cool. Let's see, is this, oh, we have the bathrooms over here in this door. Freaking cool. Yep. Sinks are nice. I'm not mad about this. The Bellagio is such a dump. Here, or Cosmo, is like, that's it. Check this out. Got a sound bar in there. I'm sure there's buttons to open the curtains, but ain't nobody got time for that. Ooh-wee. That's nice. All right, dinner time. Debbie, we need some fire.
Oh my god, I can't do anything on the hotel. Got really early.
Did they?
They can't come here.
You got that private table action.
Place had like tiny sandwiches.
Crazy.
That's it.